celebrate the mana. There's only females tonight. And
my favorite Samoan beer, Taula, the brew of Samoa. Yee-hoo. So we are at the end of the peninsula, so to speak. So we want. Yeah. Oh, that one's really pretty. Yeah. Whoa! Look down there. It's so far down there. Holy smokes! Gorgeous. Here goes Siaki. Yeah. Just pound it down on it. Bam! There you go. That sounds like a good crunch. Hello YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Kapinga mele au manga ya berkapu ya wa foi se lofie kali masinge ya nge fiafi o paia mo con man se abo mai
Oh yeah.
Am I gonna be famous now?
You are famous already.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So today is Friday in Samoa. It's the day of the big competition for the kids. And what what Silhouette's most excited about is this. Let me show you. As you can see, they're going to get banana leaves, and Silhouette's most excited about getting to ride in the back of a truck. Her and the kids and the family. Say hi, Silhouette. They're so goofy. They're like, hey, we can all ride in the back of a truck. It's Samoa. So I told them I would follow and film them a little bit. So they're staying at the Taumasina Island Resort. So it's pretty nice here. Of course, this is probably the most expensive hotel, but it's probably the nicest hotel for sure. Great views. Oop, I almost went in the right lane. All right, they're gonna go with their banana leaves so they can get their outfits ready for tonight. Hello, chicken. Hello, rooster. The what? They have a sheep over there. This must be the modern way to go up the coconut tree. Give you a halfway start.
There they are.
Some beautiful pua'a.
Separate them. Just use the female over here. Female.
He's like, I want you, Toa. Toa's like, I want you.
Bomba is right here, Bomba.
Hello.
There's a female over here.
Oh, you were too long ago.
This mama's pregnant.
Yeah, she's about to have a baby and stuff here.
Yeah.
How many liter you?
You guys want to try?
Timber.
I was like, oh my gosh, yes.
One swipe.
One swipe.
One swipe.
This tree over here, this banana tree over here.
That's Conan of Samoa.
He can grow here for his.
Banana leaves, guys.
Let's see, Silhouette. Woo! You can have leggings for days. Your legging wasting.
Legging
Who
wasting,
needs
yeah.
an outfit? Just rub yourself with banana leaves.
Right.
You feel? Oh yeah, those are good.
These are
Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Got the good waxy
Feel that?
feeling. They're not gonna catch fire. So they're practicing how to line up. One, Siaki and Toa, her teammates, are 1 and 2. And this is the first time that she drew the last straw. So she's number 9.
To the second night of the 21st International Siva Api Competition. Here, a round of applause for all our For those of you that were here last night, I hope you enjoyed the evening. You were treated to some of the very best of Finalist dancers who will be coming out shortly to show you exactly what they've been learning. So that's going to be a really exciting night. Always love the juniors night. We're just going to start with a couple of preliminaries. Of course, we have to thank our fabulous sponsors.
The Juniors Championship. I'd like to call up all the juniors to come along.
It's
In
7?
order.
7?
That's mean whatever.
That's right?
Coming up, that's
Okay,
the number
I hope so.
perform tonight. Starting from the number 1. I'd like to call up number 1, Siaki Failotusi. Kainga. Number 2, Kainga Yamai. Number 3, Hoke Tomalatai. Number 4, Peter Walter. Number 5, Harold. Number 6, Sioshi Chochi. Number 7, Shitia Sanele. Number 8, Harold. Number 9, Shelvet Damana. That's only females tonight. And number 10, Wesley Tiaba. These are 10 contestants. They're going to compete for the tuners tonight. Okay, are you guys ready? Give a big hand. Please, give a round of applause for it. Okay. Our first contest for the tuners tonight, all the way from Washington stage. Please, I'd like to welcome Siati Failotusi. like to welcome on the stage Peter Walter.
he's okay. Oh my God. He's back. Yay.
I'd like to welcome on the stage, Emana, Maua Sangaya. Slowly leaving this contest.
Actually, he told me he was 15, and then he was kind of googly-eying a silhouette lady, wanted to talk to us. I introduced him, and she said she was 13. He said, oh, I'm 14. So, but like 2 years later, I met like an older guy, a cousin, said, oh, I'm pretty sure he's 13. So, he's a mystery man. We don't know how old he was, but he was really good.
And number 9, let's hear it for our Tene warrior, Silhouette, Lemana, Mauna Samoa. Last but not least, let's make a lot of noise for Wesley Tiama. There you have 9 of our 10 warriors. They did a fantastic job tonight, despite their age. Very, very exciting. The owner for Return to Paradise Beach, Mafatai Telelava. Okay,
No.
we have our results.
Fiance. It's one of his gifts. Yeah. What's his name?
In 3rd place tonight, with a score of 234 points, let's hear it for Harold Harold! There you go. In 2nd place, with a score of 242 points, goes to Silhouette Lemana. All right. And our junior champion for 2023 with a score of 262 points goes to Wesley Tiama.
Thank you so much for watching her channel. I'm finishing her for because she's an emotional wreck after competition. So,
right there.
love you guys. Talofa lava.
Now there's good sportsmanship.
And we'll see you on the next video. Stay poor.
TJ's going to play one number.
So we're inside. What's his name, please?
Carruthers.
Something Carruthers. She's been wanting to go to the store since we got here. I think it's kind of a little higher priced type stuff, but it's really nice. Some really nice stuff they have here. I'm probably gonna get a couple t-shirts. Yeah.
Matai watches.
Oh, cool. They carry them here. That's cool. Yes.
Pretty.
Well, they have the female one too. Now she wants a Matai watch like mommy or like daddy.
Yeah.
You have money. You won money.
Well, I don't know how much they are.
So Silhouette is going to use her Siva Afi money to get the black and gold Matai watch. But I told her to make sure it fits her wrist first, right? So she's using her earnings to buy that, and I'm getting my favorite Samoan beer. Taula, the brew of Samoa. Yee-hoo. Yeah, we got this for Tupu. He's not here, but I'm sure his mom and dad will give it to him. I think that's it for this store. Now we'll go to the next store. Hope they take credit card, because I don't think I got enough tala left. Be embarrassing, we have to put everything back. Let's see. Okay, Silhouette's opening her Matai watch, the female Matai watch. What was that guy saying to you anyways, the Matai watch? The grown man.
He was asking me what my age was and I said 13. And he's like, you got a boyfriend? And I'm
What?
Like, yes.
That's kind of creepy.
I know.
Grown man hitting on my daughter. Well, we escaped with our lives. No. These were super cheap. I think we got a great price here. you know, and then it comes with 2 bands, like a leather watch it looks like, and a gold one
And
for like formal
silver
dressing,
one.
and a silver one, and a platinum diamond one, or whatever. It comes with 4 bands. That's cool. I don't know, did ours? I think the one I got to do my video, the male one, I don't think back then they had different bands. They just had 1 band. But go ahead, you like it?
Yes, I love it.
All right, well, we're sitting in the air conditioning, and we're sitting outside Tanoa, Samoa. There's a big line here. There's also a poor guy sitting right there. He looks like he's handicapped. Yeah, he's handicapped. I might give him some money. Let me think and see if I have any. Adjusting.
All right, guys. My dad's gonna give some money to that guy right there. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah, he has like a 5. He has like 2 5s in his hand, wadded up like this. That people had gave him. That's poor guy. I hope he can make a living doing that. I'm surprised how many people like walk past him, but I guess they probably see him here every day, huh? So.
I'm matching with Jocko now and you.
Oh yeah. It's so big behind the bins. Watch how it doesn't fit. It looks goofy on my arm.
I tried on the.
Yeah, I hope the poor guy does well or has family that takes care of him at home.
Yeah,
She said she's gonna wear it to Jocko's competition. Yeah. So if anyone asks her anything, she's going, "Look what I bought with my winnings."
She's gonna be, Jess is gonna be like, "Have you bought anything yet?" I'm like, yeah.
I did, bling bling. All right, sweetie, let's go inside. So a guy just came up and had balsamic packets or something with luau. I don't know what it was. With a banana leaf. No, it wasn't, because it was like a dry banana leaf and it had a bunch of food in it, like
snack. Oh, it was taro.
Taro and different things in there. I paid for it. It was 10 tala, and I told him to go give it to the guy. So that's 2 good deeds for the day. Let's go in the store and spend more money. So this is Tanoa, Samoa. I just want some pair of shorts. And of course, if Silhouette sees anything from Mom or anyone she wants to get, she could get it. Or she could just say, I don't care about Mom or Kala or Pakapala. I'm not buying them nothing. No, she said she wouldn't do that. Well, we did get them EAs. But we could get them a t-shirt or something, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to get them. It's hard to pick for people when there's so many different things to get and you don't know what they like. V-neck. I want shorts. Okay, let me turn the camera off for a second and find some. I don't want jean shorts though. Oh, maybe these are. Let's see. These feel a little hot. These feel okay. I'm gonna see if we find my size. Oh, they have regular Under Armour here and stuff, huh? What is this, like a Big 5 sporting goods of Samoa maybe? I don't know. They have jeans here. Some nice shirts. Oh, I like the Tanoa. But I'm not big on the spaghetti strap thing. That's nice, sweetie. Look pink. You should get this. No? You don't like it? Want to go to other stores? There's long sleeve you could wear back home. I don't think we'd want to wear long. Oh, that's kind of thick feeling. No?
Oh, long coat. The rugby league thing.
Look at that shirt. With the neck, the only problem is if you see the ulanifo on a shirt nowadays, back in the States, everyone's gonna think you are wearing a Black Panther shirt and it's a Marvel superhero, not a Samoan shirt. They'd be like, "Oh, you think you're the Black Panther, huh? You want to fight?" Like, no. This is my Samoan culture shirt. You don't see anything? Just want me to get my shorts? All right, just going to get my shorts. So we are at the end of the peninsula, so to speak. So we want to stop. Oh, look, there's a guy taking a swim. We're by the Laufu Ole Tala Lele radio station. 95.1 on your FM dial, 103.1 FM. I think it's actually the Christian radio, not a pop music radio. I would love to go and get in the water, but we'd rather find a beachhead than with something with rocks on it like that. Yeah, beautiful. And it's nice and windy, and she's losing her fan. You having fun?
Yeah.
This is what we've been waiting to do all week, is just have some free time, do what we want, and not have to go nowhere or do anything. I mean, we do want to go to stuff tonight, but I'm saying right now we just don't have nothing to do. And we're just doing whatever. We're just going where the wind takes us, so that's kind of what we are enjoying. Because, I mean, who knows, you know, what the future holds. We may never be able to come back here again, right? So I hope we will. Silhouette said she'd like to come back. She also mentioned, I'd like to go to New Zealand next. I'm like, oh, brother. Kids. All right, let's get back in the car. So we don't know where we're at right now. We just took the first road to the right off the main road in Apia from our hotel, and we've just been driving for like a half an hour just to see what we can see, and we just love it. We love having a chance just to get lost and drive around. It's so beautiful here. Look at this. It is 32 degrees Celsius. That's probably about 90 something, like 91 or 92 degrees, I think, in Fahrenheit. But hey, we're in AC. We're enjoying looking at all the beautiful churches. You're guaranteed to see one or two at least every mile or kilometer on the road for sure. But some beautiful places out here. And the ocean is right to our right. So I don't know where we're at, but we're just gonna keep driving until the road turns bad, probably. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh, there's a big building there. What is that? Oh, it's a church. Pretty. Looks like they're remodeling it. That one is the Methodist Church in Samoa. All right, let's keep going. We'll pop back on in a minute. We just saw a sign that says the airport's this way, so maybe this is the way we came in. I don't know. I don't remember coming this way, but there is a great possibility this is the way we came in when we rode in the van. That's cool. Now I don't know how to get to the airport if I ever need to hitchhike. So we definitely will be turning around soon because we want to take some other roads and explore today too. And Silhouette definitely wants to buy her first pulatasi with her money. She has never owned one, I don't think, and she'd like to buy one. So we'll stop by a store we saw on the side of the road when we get back, and I think that's the next time you're going to see us, because I'm going to turn around here in a minute when I find a place. All right, we'll see you in a bit. We're stopping to look for pulatasi for Silhouette. Hello. You have pulatasis like her size? Cool. They got the big walk stick. You like that one?
I'm gonna try it on.
Mommy don't. Unless Mommy would wear those. Silhouette might wear those. here. Oh, there's a bunch of different little dresses here. Pretty. Honey, it's a lady. I've seen people use this oil. It must be for their skin to make it shiny. See if she wants some shiny skin oil. Honey, would you like one of these? One of these products? How much are these little purses?
Which one?
These ones right here.
Oh. With the design on it?
No, just to like look.
Oh,
they look
it's a plain
homemade.
one. That's a 20.
Okay.
And that's 25.
Okay. I think I'll get. Can I get 2 of these?
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of want to get this for my wife, but I don't know how I would take it on the plane. Wouldn't they say I can't take that?
Oh, you just put it inside your carry-on bag.
Oh, the carry-on bag, like a Ziploc bag in
Yeah.
case it opens or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll get one of those too. That's what, remember, did you see some of the guys last night were rubbing this on their skin? I said, oh, that red cap, I wonder what they're putting on there just to make it shiny. Silhouettes here with Siaki and his family. We are seeing a beautiful view of the ocean over here. We are at the Sua Trench. Awesome. I've seen this before on TV. Never thought I would personally come here, but we're here now. Look at the beautiful waves over there. Gorgeous. And as you can see, the parking lot, it's not very crowded today. To Sua, the giant swimming hole. Whoa, look down there. It's so far down there. Holy smokes. Oh, I see the line. Siaki and Dad's are racing to be down there. It is hot as buggers right now. Holy smoke. I was hoping it'd be cooler up here in the mountains. But it's, I only know the Celsius here because the car has that in there, and it's 32 degrees Celsius. But the sun feels very intense right now. So I'll translate the Fahrenheit for you Yanks in the bottom. Gorgeous. Probably people aren't down there surfing. Probably because there's coral all down here. Beautiful, beautiful shoreline in Samoa. All right, let's go down to the hole. Yeah, too low. Yeah, Faftalawa. Ooh. It is slippery and steep, just like it said. Getting steeper.
We're gonna wait for Nathaniel and Dad.
Oh, some people are down there. I heard Nathaniel. Oh my god, this is really steep. Holy smokes.
It's so steep.
I don't mind coming down. I dread coming back up.
Mine is going down.
I'm just saying getting sweaty and hot coming up. You're gonna go in the water? Do you have anything on you that you can't lose?
Face forward.
Yeah, it should be
go
face
down.
forward.
Yeah.
I did not know that we had to do this. I thought it was like a steps going down.
Yeah.
Oh, MG.
I'm not going down.
I don't blame you.
No, because last time it took me forever and I was so scared.
I think I'm in other people's way now.
Okay, let's just go down here. Take a scoot on the
Careful, baby. Take your time. There's no rush.
Yeah.
Woo, good job, Siaki. Silhouette's holding on to the rope down there, which is good because she can't swim. And I have my wallet and the keys in here, and I don't know where to put them. If I went down, you see, there's really no room, just a little muddy, wet ledge with a few pair of shoes. I want to go down. I don't necessarily want to swim. I'd like to go down. I just don't know if all this stuff will stay in these darn swimming pants I have on. Either way, I'm glad Silhouette had the experience, and that's what it's all about. Giving your children life experiences. So pretty here. Okay, it's recording.
Nope.
Awesome. Ready? Here goes Siaki. Maria. Oh. You alive?
That was scary.
So, you having fun? Say hi to mom.
Okay, jump.
Okay.
Wow, this is way higher.
Ready? His highest jump today.
1, 2, 3.
Black crab.
They were watching Siaki jump. Apparently, what do you call those? Speedos are still popular in some parts of the world. I don't think I feel comfortable wearing those myself.
That last one. It was the best.
May is back. Everybody is back for this year's competition. That turtle is back. And so with that, we are now going to begin dinner, and we'll have you served, and we'll spend about 10 minutes, enjoy some music, so we can be sure that everybody has received their dinner plates, and then we will begin our competition.
Just for your information, our housekeeping for tonight for everybody.
So it is super crowded tonight. It's hot in there, but it's also windy over here, and I love it. It helps relieve the humidity. The Prime Minister is here of Samoa. She is the first ever female Prime Minister, and she's actually the daughter of the Prime Minister that was in office when Samoa gained its freedom. So it is a big deal tonight. Everyone who is everyone is here for the finals of the men's Sivafi tournament and other entertainment. So I'll be back with you. I'll try to film it all for you. Thank you so much, Pastor Lava, for joining me for this video. Thank you. We'll be started soon. There's the minister's table over there with the young man fanning her. That's awesome. I love it. She is like the queen of Samoa. That's so nice. And she's talking to the wonderful old lady that I met. I believe her name is Claire, who helped start all of this. What a blessing that she's here. They're announcing the top 5. Oh, sorry.
What's your mind? Let's see the song. And from Matautu, let's hear it for Jack Laban.
Now this is a professional cameraman right here. Check it out. That's a professional. I'm an amateur.
Living in Washington
And he has a professional
State,
crew.
but originally from Matautu, let's welcome Jacko Pupualii.
Here's Jacko.
And last but not least, from Tufulele, let's make some noise for Vaila Iloa. Now, we are going to have them pull a number out of this basket to determine which order they will come in. They will pull a number, and they will show it to everybody.
Jack or Jacko?
And then you will step on top of the stool to match the order that you will be performing in.
Jacko, my daughter's instructor.
I know you all are familiar with her fine art dancing skills. In 2019, she placed with the top 3 of the World Fine Art Championship. Okay, competing number 1 tonight, we have competing second, and pulling number 3, we have
Jacko Pupualii.
our 4th warrior tonight is
Jack Laban.
and taking up the anchor in tonight's competition is
Vaila Iloa.
Alright, we'll excuse them to get ready.
Let's get ready to go. Let's get ready to rumble. There's more Moana. She's come to me several times after our autograph. Just kidding. It's so nice that you have the Prime Minister and Miss Samoa here at the thing. That shows you that this is the real deal, people. Okay, I was up here on the veranda, or what do we call this place? See if I had any good view, but I don't. So I'm gonna go down here. They're gonna have the first person perform here in a moment.
Well, we just waiting for the judges.
Too low? Too low?
No, you know what? I have to do something while they have to wait. It's not easy for the judges. They have to prepare themselves.
So the cameraman's in front of me, the pole, and there's people over here filming. It's so crowded. I'm gonna try to get the best film that I can. Hope you enjoy.
Second place was a young lady from Washington State, Silhouette Lemana Mauna Sanaia. A fan club here. And then third place in the juniors was Harold. They did a fantastic job.
It's so
last night
cute
in
that the people
juniors
cheered for
competition.
Silhouette.
And this is where they hope to be one day.
She's a nice kid. I guess you can like her if you want to.
All right, looks like we are ready.
Unless you don't clean her room, then she's a bad girl.
Our third warrior, originally from Matautu, now residing in Washington State, please welcome on stage Jacko Pupualii.
He's gonna have to bring it tonight. Let's see what he's got. Let's go, Jacko. You can do it. Let's go, Jacko.
Aria, Jacko.
Bringing out the 5 finalists now. We never know who won. I feel Jocko won, but you never know. You never know. Every judges have their discretion. They're looking for different things. A lot of Jack fans.
And by La Iloa.
Up there, let's see. I don't have a good spot right now. It is packed in here. It's packed in here.
For being our scrutineers
and oh my gosh,
and helping
the
to
humidity
tally up the
inside
results
this dome
at this time
is almost unbearable for me because, of course, I'm not from
Before
here.
we announce our results for tonight, I would like to invite and call upon our Honorable Prime Minister to present our prizes for tonight.
Wow, the Prime Minister is going to get the prizes. That's awesome.
International Sivafi competition.
She's so cute. I had no idea. She's also the cutest Prime Minister in the world. This is awesome.
From places tonight.
3 places.
Winning $3,000.
Number.
Our
Third
second
place.
runner-up or third place is
Drum roll.
from Siumu. first runner-up or second place from Tufuyopa, Alema.
Our first runner up. And now the big one. Here we go.
And winning 10,000 tala tonight, and who will forever hold the title of champion for the 21st annual Siva'afi International Competition is Jacko!
Just the other way, talk. There you go. Okay, skinny down there on a valley. Yeah, she's a left hand, so try the other one. That one is already grown, so get the. It's gonna be hard.
I was like, yeah, you can figure it off.
The other way?
The other way. I was way too slow.
Careful, Sil.
Yep.
Careful, okay?
Watch yourself.
Yeah.
We never do this. We go to the Hong Kong market and
I told you he was wearing it.
Huh?
Let the gravity slam down on it.
Oh, yeah.
The other way. Sit away.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the other. Yeah. Just pound it down on it. Bam. There you go. That sounds like a good crunch.
Careful, watch. Don't do that.
Hurry, or we don't eat.
Careful, so be really careful with that. There you go, keep pulling, keep pushing. Same roll, right? Same roll.
Push all the way down.
There you go, keep going. There you go. Be careful, watch that breeze coming up, so hold on to that one. All you need to do, you're holding on to this one right here, and use your strong hand to push it down. There you go. Well, you gotta hold it. I can hold it for you. You gotta use your both hands. That's your left hand. So see if you can, go back to the same patterns. So don't mind those guys laughing at me.
They're not laughing.
It's okay. There you go. Tastes good.
Oh, sit down first. Sit down first. I guess you just pull it up some. I don't know.
Okay, you're good. You have shorts underneath. You're good.
You have shorts on.
Underneath. You're fine.
You have shorts on, sweetie. Okay. Yeah, do it like that.
Show him what he is.
So they started with the
You see his bird? Palangiko's bird? Like that.
Oh yeah.
That's a nasty one.
That's from last night? Just doing the show?
Bubble cube.
You gotta turn all the way out. Silo.
Sorry.
Whoa.
I saw that
So I didn't know until I spoke shop.
This house right here is the Matai's house.
Yes. This side. Yeah. No, so. Like this. There you go. Yeah. Nice.
Now you can get a job down at the Samoan store.
It's a long process, but you really get into it though.
Hard, huh?
That's when you went on. Yeah. You had to go in the rain. You see his prayer? This one is easier to start the firewood. Easier to start
They're like, we can handle the fire.
Yeah, for
They're like, this is our.
we could have gone.
So you're like, I can do this.
Quality's the master way.
Everyone's relaxing, waiting for the evening to be done. Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. And hello.
Hello from Samoa. Oh yeah.
Am I gonna be famous now?
You
In
are
Washington?
famous already.
Oh, really?
We
I
all
wanna be
talked about how
in
famous you were when you left. We're like, she's awesome.
Ya. Ia le rofo malanga ia le pua le ngai ka fo. Ka penga mele au manga ya. Barka po. Ya wa fo sia lofi. Kali masinge ya ngai fiafi. Ko pa ia mo ko man.
Oh, wow. Wow. I'm so happy to be here today with you guys. Amazing. And this is for everybody. And Papa Nico Panessa. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Appetizer.
Siapa mai?
So this village we're in is Falanico's village. Falanico is the reigning world champion Sivafi from the PCC World Championships there in Honolulu. And I kind of really like this village because I feel so much cooler, because if you can't see, you probably can't, but the ocean's like right past those palm trees. There's a cliff and the ocean's right there. I love the breeze that's coming in. It feels so nice. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest I've felt since I've been in Samoa. It's really nice here, the wind. So Jocko's getting ready to put on like a workshop for Sivafi along with Nico. So they're putting out a little clinic for all the kids in the village that do Sivafi, and you can see it's quite a lot. And if you watch the video, there's the little boy that face caught on fire when he was trying to do the trick at the beginning. So nice here, beautiful. Yeah, just so you know, his coach did not tell him to do that. So, and I guess they brought the kava bowl out if you get thirsty while you're practicing.
Walk on your right side. 1, 2, 3, hey! 1, 2, 3, hey!
It's gonna be too dark to film here in a minute, but maybe you can see him a little bit.
Wow.
I think it's getting too dark to film now, so if we go back inside, I'll film some more. So tonight's our final night here. We've got a plate of fries by the pool, and tomorrow we leave back to America. How did you like the trip, Silhouette?
It was amazing.
What was your favorite day?
Today.
What did you, because of all the stuff you guys did, huh?
Yeah, so we, basically in summary, we learned more about our Samoan culture and we did an unu.
Right.
And then later on that day in the evening, we went to Falanico's house in his village, and then we trained with the kids. It was amazing.
Yeah, and probably there's clips of that on the video before this part.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we had a really good time. We were here last night. The last couple nights have been beautiful outside, or maybe we're just getting used to the heat. I don't know. It's not been too hot. So we had a great time. Thank you, Samoa, for having us. And I think anything else? No. Yeah, I think the nights, like the first nights, were just stressful. We didn't know what to do. We didn't have a car when we got here. We thank you to Siaki's parents again for letting us borrow their rental car that they didn't have to use. And we then you had the stress of getting ready for competition, the stress of like, oh, they're gonna use real gasoline, because normally we never use that in America, you know. What's that? Oh yeah, and then Silhouette's been sick all the time. She don't seem sick when she's talking. As soon as we get upstairs and she lays down, it's like pneumonia or something. She's just gagging, coughing all night long. So she must have a little touch of pneumonia. You know, it's not contagious, so it's just something of her own. She probably got it from just being on the planes because they're so crowded. So flashing it over to Silhouette again. Just to wrap it up. We had a great time. You know, the nights of stress, you know, having to, practice with gas and then being sick and then having to, compete is always nerve-wracking for the kids and the parents. I think the parents sometimes are more nervous than the kids.
Yeah.
But what a great week. What a great experience for myself and my daughter. And we, drinking from the Kava Bowl tonight, all that stuff. I mean, everyone treated us like we were family. And I appreciate it again. So, what do you say until next time?
Fa soy fua.
Oh, yeah. Fa soy fua. 1, 2, 3. Peace. And we're out. Bye.
Bye.
Well, we are getting ready to leave here, the hotel soon. So we had so much stuff we brought that we didn't use. We brought this actually for Silhouette to eat, and she didn't eat any of this. So we're leaving him a little money. And just saying, please to say thank you to the housekeeper. Silhouette's like hat out of it. I'm not even gonna show a picture. Just gave me the evil eye, like don't film me, I'm coughing. All right, we'll see you at the airport. They made it. Yee-hoo.
I'm in Samoa.
Yee-hoo. Okay, let's try again.
I'm in Samoa.